Defection Rumour. Governor Diri don dismiss rumours say e wan defect to APC. Welcome, country people, to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channels, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, reports don dey come in, and the reports dey suggest say Governor Diri of Bayelsa State and Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State, the two PDP governors remaining for South, say they go soon defect to the All Progressives Congress APC. And depending on who they talk the story, e dey hard weight to the rumor. The last one na from the Senate President himself, Godswill Akpabio, during the ceremony to formally receive Governor Umo Eno of Akwa Ibom State into the All Progressives Congress. Report come say the Senate President make reference to the fact say Governor Diri and Governor Siminalayi Fubara, both of them, go soon defect to the ruling All Progressives Congress. This story now come make people believe say true Diri go enter APC from the PDP. But the Bayelsa State Governor, he don dismiss the swirling rumours about his alleged defection to the All Progressives Congress. He talk say the speculation e come out from the recent remarks when the Minister of Works David Umahi make. E dey talk this talk for Sampo, Kolokoma, Opokuma local government area during a thank you visit by the lawmaker when they represent Southern Ijaw Federal Constituency, Rodney Ambalowe, and other stakeholders. Diri say e no dey disturbed by the reports. E come talk, if for any reason movement go dey, e say na una the people na go advise me, because na una vote for me to become governor. The decision to move or not, e go dey based on the interest of the Ijaw nation and Bayelsa State, not my personal interest only. So make una no mind wetin the trend. For one statement by im chief press secretary Dan Alabra, the governor come explain say in attendance for the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road flag off ceremony na im dey fear the speculation. E come clarify say im presence na to simply show appreciation to President Bola Tinubu for the inclusion of Bayelsa for the project. That one, he say, e dey critical to the economic progress of the Niger Delta region. Diri come talk, he say a fortnight ago, they invite me to Lagos for the inauguration of a section of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road and the flag off of phase 2 of the Nembe Brass Road. I raise observation when I come see map of the coastal road displayed for the hall with Bayelsa and Edo State missing. I come immediately draw the attention of the contractor and the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, to the error. They come admit say na error, and they come talk say e go dey corrected. Governor Diri can link the fresh wave of defection rumours to remarks when Umahi make during the event. When the time reach for the minister to talk, he can't give me special attention. He can't say the Bayelsa governor, they think progressively and they work progressively. People for there can assume, say we don't conclude the deal for my defection, according to Diri. Diri can continue, say the Minister of Works now start this new wave that the Bayelsa governor won't defect because of the attention when he bring upon me that day. But at the end of the day, what is the important? Now whether we can bring development to our place. He can't explain. He can't commend the people of Southern Ijaw because they support in prosperity administration. Diri can urge political stakeholders make they eschew politics of division and make them focus on unity and development. He can also advise political leaders make they act with integrity and make them play by the rules. Country people, this Diri talk when it did dispel rumor of defection. Some people they say now so did they tell it start up. When they will talk initially, they will deny him. But at the end of the day, it will come pan out. Say he did their mind all along. It's just that they will wait for one or two assurances from the ruling party before they go make their move. He say all the people wey did not defect before him turn, all of them talk the same thing, say na rumor. But at the end of the day, they can't carry broom till they sweep road. The Senate president also make reference to Diri, say him be the next, according to the report when he enter. So Diri too go still say the Senate president dey fly kite. You know, somebody they say that na the ways of politicians. Even something when it dey very clear to you and then also you understand wetin dey play, they go wan confuse you, make you no fit predict their next move. That e dey natural, say since im brother governors for the south here all don pot, e go dey proper for am too to pot, so that whatever dey to be enjoyed, all of them go enjoy am until such a time again when all of them go still decide to defect back to the People's Democratic Party or any other party when e go dey in power in the near future. But that all these stories of defection, it don't do so that these men can concentrate on governance. Una siam.